Welcome to Whisper and Learn. In today's video, we'll dive into another engaging story to help you improve your English listening skills while enjoying a relaxing and stress-free experience. Each story is crafted to teach practical listening, vocabulary, enhance your comprehension, and provide meaningful life lessons. So grab your headphones, relax, and let's begin.
It was a frosty December morning, and the streets of Maplewood buzzed with holiday cheer. Snow blanketed the small suburban town, lights twinkled from rooftops, and wreaths adorned every door. Yet, for 12-year-old Mia and her 8-year-old brother Ben, the real excitement lay not outside but inside their living room. This year, Christmas would be unlike any other. They were about to meet Santa Claus in the metaverse. "Mom, is it ready yet?" Ben's eager voice echoed as he adjusted his virtual reality headset. Their mom, Karen, smiled as she finalized the setup on their sleek family console. "Almost, sweetheart. The virtual Santa experience app is loading. Remember, you only get 15 minutes, so make it count." Mia rolled her eyes. "Ben, don't ask for something weird like a pet dragon again. You know Santa doesn't deliver those." Ben huffed. "It's a virtual Santa. He can do anything." Karen handed each of them their controllers, and the room filled with the sound of sleigh bells as the application loaded. The children's avatars materialized in a snowy wonderland, complete with candy cane forests, gingerbread houses, and elves bustling around the North Pole. And there he was, Santa Claus himself, larger than life, sitting in a golden sleigh. His beard was as white as snow, his eyes twinkled with merriment, and his voice boomed as he greeted them. "Hung, hung, hung. Welcome, Mia and Ben. Tell me, what would you like for Christmas this year?" Mia and Ben marveled at the detail. It was like being in a holiday movie. Ben rattled off his wish list, from a new bike to the latest gaming console, while Mia shyly asked for a sketch pad and art supplies. Santa listened intently, nodding and taking notes on a magical scroll. As their session ended, Santa waved goodbye. "Merry Christmas to you both. And remember, the spirit of the season is in giving, not just receiving." Mia and Ben removed their headsets, their faces glowing with excitement. "That was awesome," Ben exclaimed. Karen laughed. "I'm glad you liked it. Technology sure has changed Christmas, hasn't it?" The next day, as the kids sat down for another virtual Santa session, something strange happened. Instead of the usual cheerful loading screen, the console flickered and the snowy wonderland turned dark. The candy cane forest was replaced with jagged, icy peaks, and Santa's sleigh was nowhere to be seen. "What's going on?" Mia asked, adjusting her headset. Ben's avatar stumbled as the ground beneath him shook. "I think it's broken." Suddenly, a voice boomed, but it wasn't Santa's. It was deeper, almost ominous. "You've entered the glitch realm. To return to the North Pole, you must restore the magic of Christmas." The kids exchanged nervous glances. "Restore the magic? How are we supposed to do that?" Mia asked. Before they could process it, their avatars were transported to a dimly lit room filled with flickering screens and broken toys. An elf, frazzled and covered in soot, appeared before them. "Oh, thank goodness you're here," the elf cried. The system's down and Santa's magic is fading. We need your help to fix it. Ben puffed out his chest. We're on it, right, Mia? Mia hesitated but nodded. Right. What do we need to do? The elf explained that the magic of Christmas was stored in 3 crystals, each representing a key aspect of the holiday: kindness, generosity, and hope. These crystals had been scattered across the glitch realm, and it was up to Mia and Ben to retrieve them. Be careful, the elf warned. The glitch realm is full of challenges, but if you work together, I believe you can succeed. The first crystal, representing kindness, was hidden in a labyrinth of icy caves. As the kids navigated the maze, they encountered virtual animals in distress: a polar bear trapped under rubble, penguin stuck on a melting ice floe. We have to help them, Ben insisted. But what if we run out of time? Mia countered. Santa said kindness is important. We can't just leave them, Ben argued. Reluctantly, Mia agreed. Together, they used their avatar's tools to free the animals. As they did, the first crystal appeared, glowing brightly. You did it! The elf's voice cheered. Kindness restored. The second crystal was located in a bustling virtual marketplace. But this was no ordinary market. The vendors were avatars of other kids from around the world, each trying to trade for the best holiday items. We need to find the crystal here, Mia said, scanning the crowded stalls. Ben noticed a small avatar struggling to carry a pile of gifts. Hey, let's help them. But what if it's a distraction? Mia asked. Generosity isn't about getting something in return, Ben said. Remember what Santa said. They helped the struggling avatar, and as they did, the crystal appeared in the middle of the marketplace, its glow illuminating the stalls. The last crystal, representing hope, was in a stormy wasteland. Lightning cracked the sky, and the ground was barren. Mia and Ben's avatars struggled against the wind as they searched. In the distance, they saw a group of children huddled together, their avatars flickering as if about to disappear. They looked so scared, Ben said. We have to help them, Mia agreed. The siblings approached the group, offering words of encouragement. We'll get you out of here, Mia said. Ben shared stories about their favorite holiday traditions, making the kids laugh and smile. Slowly, the storm began to clear, and the final crystal appeared. With all 3 crystals in hand, Mia and Ben returned to the elf, who placed them into a magical device. The North Pole began to reappear, brighter and more vibrant than ever. Santa returned, his laughter echoing through the metaverse. You two have done more than restore Christmas magic. You've reminded us all of its true meaning. As a reward, Santa gave Mia and Ben a special gift, a real-life snow globe that, when shaken, showed scenes from their virtual adventure. Back in the real world, Mia and Ben shared their story with their parents, who listened with wide-eyed wonder. The snow globe became a cherished family heirloom, a reminder of the Christmas they saved together. And though they continued to use the virtual Santa experience in years to come, they never forgot the lesson they learned. The true magic of Christmas lies in kindness, generosity, and hope.
Thank you for listening to this story on Whisper and Learn. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something valuable today. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories that make learning English fun and effective. Let us know in the comments what you think of this story or what topics you'd like to hear next. See you in the next video. Happy learning!